Wondering that. Yeah, you may cool down a little chill with a little rain shower coming soon. You see it on our temperature map here. While it's 95 in St. Louis, look at Washington at 77. So there's some spots that have cooled down only because they have been indeed hit by some of this rain. We have a heat index right around 100, so you might actually appreciate the rain. None of this is severe, but there's really two distinct areas where there's a little more activity, meaning lightning and thunder happening. One around Washington, Clinton County in Illinois, and the other near the city of Washington in Missouri and up into St. Charles County, northern Jefferson County. We'll zoom in there first. I'll give you a little radar tour, but if you're around Eureka, you're getting hit. That's moving up towards Wildwood soon. You probably already hear the thunder to the northwest of you in Wildwood because that's the thunderstorm that's headed right for Weldon Spring. So all this is moving up with quick downpours, and it's going to be heavy. There's a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. In fact, you can see it from the Motion Orthopedics camera here at I-270 looking to the west. That cloud in the distance, actually the rain shaft hitting the ground. So there's going to be some downpours. In fact, there's one up around Baden and Riverview and North City up to the Chain of Rocks Bridge. And it extends, as I mentioned, off towards Illinois. In fact, around Carlisle, southern tip of Carlisle Lake, getting hammered with an isolated storm that really just bubbled up. So a lot of lightning and thunder, while not severe. Quick downpours, maybe a little bit of gusty winds. These start to fade away later this evening. You'll see by 6 o'clock we still have activity across the area. Super Predictor shows us that. But you start to see less and less of those blips of green. That's the sun setting and most of these storms fading away. Not all, though. There's still going to be an isolated storm here or there, perhaps even in the metro, and it's 85 degrees. Still very warm and muggy at 9 o'clock. By tomorrow morning, it's warm and muggy, of course, to wake up, 75 degrees. And then as we head towards the afternoon, we have to be on guard for another one of these spot storms. I don't think it'll be as active as what we're seeing right now, but I do expect an isolated storm here or there. This is at 2 o'clock. Anytime between 2 and about 8 o'clock tomorrow, we'll be on guard for an isolated storm. It's still going to be hot, though. 94 for the high. We'll be there at 5 o'clock, and the heat index closer to 100. Then we head into Wednesday morning, and a line of storms, if it holds together, could come through in the pre-dawn hours. Here's 4.